Hey YouTube, just doing a new project. I've got a Mazda Bongo and I'm just in the process of converting it to a camper van, which is easy said than done. So this is a 2.5 litre turbo 4-wheel drive Bongo with a pop top, you can see there. It had all the seats in, which I've taken out. And the setup with these things is that the middle bench seats here, you can either have, obviously have when I got it, they were facing forward, which is probably the best way you want to drive, because the problem is you've got these seat belts here and you can't move them. So if your seat's going to be facing towards me now, you're only going to have, on the 3 seats, the bench seat, you're only going to have a lap belt, you know. So if you've got kids, it's not, you know, you want them strapped in really. Now there's a couple of ways of doing this. You can spin these rails round, which means taking that end cap off and just pulling it out and taking them back in. Or you can get a company that will, for about 500 quid, will fit you a mechanism which spins the seat, which is probably the best thing to do. I don't want to spend 500 quid on that, and I don't even know if it's been properly crash tested. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave them facing forwards, and then when I get to site and I've set up, it's only 4 bolts, I'll just whip the seat round, because you want it facing this way so you get the full length of the camper. So at the moment, there's my gas bottle. I've just drilled a hole there for the vent. So the vent's going to go in there. Be careful you're doing that. Obviously, you want to make sure, do your measurements. Don't end up drilling straight through a brake pipe or through the top of your exhaust. So what I'm going to do is build some cupboards. Now, I had a price to do it, and it was unbelievable. It was unbelievable. It was eye-watering. So I did a bit of searching around on YouTube and this, that and the other, and I've come up with a bit of a better way of doing it. So I think this must be what they do. So I went to B&Q, got some board, do different types. I went to settle for this sort of grey look, and then you can buy this trim, goes on the edge. So this is 18mm board, 18mm trim obviously, and then you buy a little router bit, which show you. This is just something I've just rigged up. I mean, if you've got a proper router, you'll have it. I haven't got one, so for what I'm going to be using, and I just use that, and it's worked an absolute treat. So all that is just this bit here puts like an 8 or 9mm slots all the way around your wood, and then you can get this trim. It's cheap as chips. You get it, and you just knock it. I think it's called knock-on table strip or something. Get any colour you want, red, blue, yellow, whatever. So anyway, we've gone with black and grey, and it looks all right. So there's the SMEV double hob and sink. That I just got the kit. It was 300 quid, but it's got everything with it, all the pipes, everything else. You know, everything ready to go. You know, the canisters for the wastewater and everything. Sorry, my videos all over the show. Just getting some ply now, just ready to fit the kitchen onto that. I'm going to end up ply lining the lot in the end. And you get a template with that kit as well, which you need really. So, you know, it's alright, doesn't it, with the strip around the outside. It doesn't look any different than, if you like hemorrhaging cash and all you like doing is spending, get yourself a T5, a VW T5 or the newest one, and get it professionally fitted. And then when you've let go of 30-40 grand, you know, I'll be part next to you doing exactly the same thing for like 5 grand, including the van. So you get the picture. So this is what we just more. You know, it's just all this from. I mean, these are big lengths. And that's a piece missing out there, but that was 28 quid from B&Q. They come in tan, you know, black ash or that sort of grey colour, or they do like a mahogany colour. You know, it turns out all right. So this is the first video. When I'm doing something slightly interesting, I'll post another one. Okay.